Next competency based question from trigonometry. Question number 8. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. We need to find the value of sin 8 theta plus cot 8 theta. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. We can write sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1. This implies that tan theta is equal to 1. This shows that the theta is equal to 45 degree. Now we have to find sin to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 8. Now we have to find sin 8 theta then cos 8 power theta. So this will be sin power 8 45 plus cos 45. So it is 1 upon root 2 की power 8 then 1 upon root 2 की power 8 because sin 45 cos 45 same 1 upon root 2. So this if we calculate it is coming 1 upon 16 1 upon 16. So it is 2 upon 16 means 1 upon 8. So this is the answer. Now next question number 9 from application of trigonometry. The shadow of tree on a ground is found to be x meter longer when sun's altitude decreases from 60 degree to 30 degree. If the height of tree is 20 root 3 meter, then find the value of x. So let us draw the diagram. Let this is the tree 20 root 3 is given in the question, and the sun's altitude decreases. You can see initially it was 60 degree, now it is decreases to 30 degree. Then the shadow will be x meter longer than the previous length of shadow. Let us suppose this segment is y. Now in a bigger triangle 20 root 3 upon x plus y is equal to 1030. 1030 1 upon root 3 cross multiply. So x plus y is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3. X plus y is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it will be 60. Now in a smaller triangle 20 root 3 upon y. Now in a smaller triangle 20 root 3 upon y is equal to 1060 degree. So the y is equal to 20 root 3 upon 1060. 1060 is root 3. Root 3 cancel. So y is equal to 20 degree. Root 3 cancel, y is equal to 20. Now it's very simple to find out the x by this equation 1 and 2. We'll put the value of y in equation 1. X is equal to 40. So the answer x is equal to 40 meter. Next question number 10 from circle. It is given in the question PQ and PR are the tangents to a circle with center O. QR is a chord such that angle OQR is 40 degree. Then find the value of angle QPR. For this kind of the question, remember students, if it comes in 1 mark MCQ, then direct you apply that result you got in the example number 2 of NCERT. Listen on page number 150. We already proved that in this kind of the question, this angle TPQ is equal to twice of OPQ. So it means our answer will be 80 if it is a 1 mark question. So according to this concept, it will be QPR is equal to twice of 40. So for the MCQ questions, so you can directly write the answer using that result that we solved in the example number 2. But suppose it asks in the 3 marks question, radius is perpendicular to tangent, so this is 90 degree. So 90 minus 40, so this portion will be 50, and the tangents are equal, so this will also 50 using the isosceles triangle property. Now we can find out this one using the angle sum property. Angle QPR plus 50 plus 50 is equal to 180. Minus 100, it is 80. So the same result that we applied by using the example number 2. So this is the answer. 80. Now next question number 11 from area related to circle chapter. Find the area of largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r. So it is simple 1 mark question. Semicircle of radius r. So this is suppose center O of the semicircle, largest triangle. This is the largest triangle described in a semicircle. See, it is very simple. This is a center, so this is a diameter, or we can say this is radius. So area of triangle is half base into height. Half base, r plus r, 2r. Height is r. 2 cancel, it is r square. So this question can be asked in the MCQ. R square is the area of triangle, largest triangle inscribed in a semicircle of radius r. Next question number 12 from surface area volume chapter. A solid is hemispherical at bottom and conical above. If the surface area of the two parts are equal, then find the ratio of radius and height of the conical part. Let us suppose the radius of this part is r, height of the conical part is h. Now surface area of the hemispherical part is 2 pi r square. Surface area of the conical part, pi r l. We can write pi r l using the Pythagoras. It will be square root of r square plus h square. Now according to question, both surface areas are equal. Pi will be cancelled and one r will be cancelled from here. Square root of r square plus h square is equal to 2r. Now squaring both sides. r square is equal to h square. By subtracting this one, r square upon h square is equal to 1 upon 3. So r upon h will be 1 upon root 3. So ratio of the radius and height is 1:√3. This is the answer. Now next question number 13 from statistics, the very important question. If ui is equal to xi minus 25 upon 10 and x bar is equal to 27 and its sigma fiui is equal to 20, these data represent the average age of the actors in one play. Find the total number of actors in a play. See, these data represent the step deviation method. To find out the average mean. So that formula of step deviation is equal to x bar is equal to a plus h u bar, where h is the class interval means class size, and U bar is sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi, and the Ui is equal to Xi minus A upon H. Now you can compare the data. This shows that H is equal to 10 and A is equal to, assume mean, 25. X bar is equal to A plus HU bar. So X bar 27, A is 25 plus H is 10, U bar sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi. So sigma Fi Ui, it is 20 upon sigma Fi that we need to find. So this will be 200 upon this sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to 200 upon 2. Sigma Fi is equal to 100. Sigma Fi represents the total frequency, means total number of actors. So the total actors are 100. This is the answer. So for the competency based question, you have to recall all the concepts. Now come to the next question, number 14. Now next question number 14 from probability. The probability that Shashi will hit the target is 3 upon 5. On the other hand, the probability that PU will hit the same target is 6 upon 7. If each of them hit once, then find the probability the target will hit by only one of them. For Shashi, the probability of hitting is equal to 3 upon 5. So the probability of not hitting will be 1 minus 3 upon 5. It's a very simple concept. Probability of event is 1 minus not event. So this will be 2 upon 5. Similarly for PU, it is given 6 upon 7. 1 minus 6 upon 7, it is 5 upon 7. Now listen, a very important concept regarding this kind of the question. See the chances. Once the hit by Shashi, there are two chances. Either it will be hit, means 3 upon 5, or it will be not hit, be 2 upon 5. At every chance, again there are two chances by PU, hit or not hit. Let us suppose Shashi start. So there are two chances, one hit and this is not hit. So at every chance, there are again two chances for PU, hit and this is not hit. And this chance also PU once again. So it is Shashi start, there are two chances, hitting, not hitting. Now if Shashi hit, so again PU will take the chance, hitting or not hitting. If Shashi is not able to hit, then also there are two chances for PU, hitting, not hitting. देखिए इसको समझिए कि शशि को दो चांस मिलेंगे, उसके हर चांस में PU के भी दो चांस आएंगे. जब शशि चांस लेगा, PU लेगा, तो उसमें या तो हिट या नॉट हिट. जब शशि का चांस नहीं आएगा तब भी PU लेगा, या तो हिट या नॉट हिट. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी when hit by anyone will be 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 7. Means either Shashi will hit, then PU will not hit. Plus here either Shashi will not hit and PU will hit. This mathematical induction will give us the answer. देखिए probability जब सिर्फ एक जो है टारगेट करेगा तो उसमें क्या होगा, 3 upon 5 मीन्स जब शशि हिट करेगा तो PU हिट नहीं करेगा. प्लस दूसरा चांस क्या है, शशि हिट नहीं करेगा तो मतलब कौन करेगा, फिर PU हिट करेगा. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन हमको आंसर देगा, इट इज़ 3/35 प्लस 12/35. So this 3/7, this is the answer. The probability that only one will hit the target.